One of the things that everyone seems to have a problem with on the Pure Air is the steering column. It's either making a clicking noise or it seems to have play. What you got to do here, just on the top there's a little screw where the spring is. If you screw that in clockwise, it will actually tighten up the play that you have on your steering. And then over there's a little hole that takes a small Allen key. Once you've got that correct, you just tighten that thing up and it won't be moving. Another common issue is the tyre valve. They don't give you much space, and if you get the screw-on adapter, then generally by the time you've unscrewed the thing, the tyre's deflated again. And it's not actually where it should be sitting at. I like to run it at about 40 psi. I've done now 108 kilometers on my scooter, and so far so good, no punctures. What I do suggest is that you get one of the clip-on adapters, a pump with a clip-on adapter, and then when you release the thing, it actually doesn't lose all the pressure straight away. As a recreational scooter, I find this superb. I do have other videos that I've loaded up on a hill test, a speed test, and there's a good few with outrides all around my town. So yeah, if you want to view them, go have a look.